Welcome back to another videos. Join us for the latest news, insights, and updates on the Iraqi dinar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's explore the world of the Iraqi dinar together. The financial process involving a central bank, likely referring to the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, based on the context of the project to delete the zeros. This project is a reference to a well-known initiative in Iraq, aimed at reducing the nominal value of its currency, the Iraqi dinar, IQD, by removing 3 zeros from the face value of the currency. This process is typically associated with large-scale monetary reforms in countries experiencing high inflation or currency devaluation. By shrinking the monetary mass, the central bank aims to limit this excess supply of money, thereby stabilizing prices and potentially increasing the currency's value. In this case, reducing the monetary mass by 2/3 would mean significantly cutting down the total amount of currency in circulation, a radical move that would be expected to have major impacts on the economy, businesses, and citizens. This could be because of improved trust in the banking system or a direct result of policies that make it less advantageous or even illegal to hold large amounts of cash outside the banking system. When people deposit their hard currency into banks, the money becomes part of the official economy, allowing the central bank to have greater control over the monetary supply and implement its policies more effectively. The project to delete the zeros refers to a specific monetary reform that aims to address the large nominal value of a country's currency. In Iraq's case, the dinar has been heavily devalued over the years, and the current system involves large denominations that create practical issues for transactions and accounting. Deleting zeros from a currency means, for example, turning a 1,000 dinar note into a 1 dinar note, thereby simplifying the currency system and making transactions easier for both businesses and consumers. In the case described in the paragraph, the project to delete the zeros has begun, and a committee is now working with banks to retrieve hard currency as part of this initiative. This means that the process of implementing the project has moved beyond planning and has entered the execution phase. Committees working with banks indicate that the central bank is taking a hands-on approach, ensuring that banks play a critical role in this reform. However, such reforms are not without risks. Removing zeros from a currency can cause confusion among the public, especially if the transition is not well managed or communicated. There can also be a risk of inflation if the reform is not accompanied by other strong fiscal and monetary policies. For instance, if the central bank removes zeros but does not control inflationary pressures, the newly revalued currency could quickly lose its value again. In summary, the paragraph you provided describes a major monetary reform initiative in which the central bank, likely the Central Bank of Iraq, is taking steps to reduce the monetary mass and implement the project to delete the zeros. By encouraging citizens to deposit their hard currency into banks, the central bank is working to bring more money into the formal financial system, making it easier to control the supply of money and shrink the monetary mass. The project to delete the zeros, which involves reducing the nominal value of the currency, has begun, with a committee working closely with banks to manage the transition. This reform, if successful, could have significant long-term benefits for the economy, although it also carries some risks and challenges that will need to be managed carefully. Thanks for watching Iraqi Dinar. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share our videos. Your support keeps our channel going. Stay curious, and see you in the next one.